Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in these instructions, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components, and repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 4. First, remove your muffler, giving you access to the inner frame. Next, with a 5/8 socket, remove the 2 bolts from each of the track bar brackets and press it down and out of the way of the frame. With a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for your brake line and push it down and out of the way. Step 5. With an 18 and 16mm socket, remove the upper and lower shock bolts and remove the shock. If you have any inner fender liners, remove them at this time to prevent a fire hazard. Next, just above both the coil spring buckets and body mount crossmember is a wiring harness secured by body clips. Remove the clips with the body clip remover tool and push the harness out and out of the way. Step 6. Using a pair of jack stands, lower the axle down to discharge the coil springs. Remove these once they're fully extended. Step 7. While following proper safety precautions, begin cutting and removing the part while avoiding damage to the frame rail and body mount crossmember. Grind away any rough edges and attempt to push the part into place, followed by C-clamping it in. Step 8. While following proper safety precautions, begin welding the part to the frame completely and around all edges. Step 9. Coat the part with a primer to prevent rust from forming over time and begin reassembling your vehicle. Reconnect your battery and you're done.